Hello friends, welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today we are going to solve some numerical problems from time, speed and distance. We have studied from previous videos that the formula for speed is distance divided by time. We know that the unit of distance can be meter, kilometer, centimeter, and the unit of time can be second, minute and hour. So the unit of speed will be kilometer per hour, meter per second. From here we can find the formula for distance. So the formula for distance will be speed into time, and the formula for time will be distance divided by speed. From these three formulas we can solve problems related to time, speed and distance. Average speed. Average speed will be the total distance covered by the total time. So the formula for average speed will be equal to total distance divided by total time. We have another formula for average speed. When the distance covered is same, then the average speed will be equal to, when the distance covered is same and there are two speeds, there are two speed A and B, then the average speed will be equal to 2AB by A plus B. When there is given that the distance travelled between 2 points is same and there are two speeds, A km per hour and B km per hour, we can put this formula to find the average speed, that is 2AB by A plus B. We will solve questions according to this formula. Now we will convert units to different units. When you solve, we have to convert the unit of kilometer per hour to meter per second. So we have studied previously that when the unit is in 1 kilometer per hour, to convert the unit to meter per second, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. Let us see how it is happening. We know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter and 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So by cancelling zeros, it will give 10 by 36. By cancelling it with 2, it will give 5/18. So it will give 5 by 18 meter per second. So we saw that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So when we have asked to convert kilometer per hour unit to meter per second, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. For example, here given that 5 kilometer per hour, the speed is 5 kilometer per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second. So we have to multiply this 5 with 5 by 18. So it will give 25 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, if the case is reversed, that means we have to convert 1 meter per second to kilometer per hour. We have to divide that unit with 5 by 18. We have to convert 5 meter per second to kilometer per hour. That means we have to divide it with 5 by 18. So it will give 5 divided by 5 by 18. So it will come to the top when we will multiply it. So it will give 5 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Here we see that we can also multiply it with 18 by 5. We can divide it with 5 by 18. Otherwise, we can multiply it with 8 by 5. So it will give kilometer per hour. So it will be equal to 18 kilometer per hour. So from here we saw that for converting kilometer per hour unit to meter per second, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18, and when the unit is meter per second and we have to convert it to kilometer per hour unit, we can multiply it with 8 by 5 or we can divide it with 5 by 18. Let us do some numerical problems. Here the question is given that a person crosses a 600 meter long street in 5 minutes. What is his speed in a kilometer per hour? So here distance is given that distance is 600 meter and time is 5 minutes. Time is 5 minutes. We have to convert the time minute to second. So we have to multiply it with 60. So it will give 300 seconds. We know that the formula for speed is distance by time. Distance by time. Here distance is 600 meter, distance is 600 and time is 300 seconds. So it will give 2 meter per second. Here we have found that the speed is 2 meter per second, but question is given that to find the speed in kilometer per hour unit. So we have studied that when we have to convert the meter per second unit to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply it with 18 by 5. So it will give 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So it will become 36 by 5 kilometer per hour. By calculating, it will give 7.2 kilometer per hour. Let us do another problem. Here the question is given that Amit covers a distance at a speed of 24 km per hour in 6 minutes. If he wants to cover the same distance in 8 minutes, what should be its speed? So here is given that the distance is constant for the two conditions, for both conditions. First, here the first speed S1 is 24 km per hour and the first time is T1 6 minutes. For second condition, we have to find out the speed S2. Let it will be x km per hour and the time for second journey is 8 minutes. As the distance is same in both cases, we will find distance in first case and distance in second case and we will equal it so that we can find the value of x. Let us start. For first condition, distance will be speed into time. Here speed is 24 and time is 6 minutes. Here the time is in minute. We have to convert it into hour unit. So we have to divide it with 60. So it will become 6 km per hour. So cancelling by dividing by 6, it will give 1 and 10 here. It will become 24 by 10 km per hour. So by dividing with 2, it will give 12 and 5. So it will become 12 by 5 km per hour. Sorry, here we are calculating for distance. So here the unit will be kilometer. It will be kilometer. 12 by 5 kilometer. For second case, distance will be speed S2 into time T2. Here speed S2 is x and time T is 8 minutes. We have to convert the unit 8 minutes to hour. So we have to divide it with 60. So it will give 8x by 60 kilometer. We can divide it by 4. So it will give 2 and 15. So it will become 2x by 15 kilometer. We know that these two distances are same because Amit covers the same distance in both the cases. So now we will equal these two values and find the value of x. So 2x by 15 will be equal to 12 by 5. By calculating, by cross multiplying, it will give 2x into 5 is equal to 12 into 15. Cancelling 5 both sides, it will give 3 here and 1 here. We can divide 2 in both sides, it will give 1 and 6 here. So it will become x is equal to 18 kilometer. So from here we find that the distance covered by Amit in both the cases is 18 kilometer. Sorry, this is 18 kilometer per hour because we are finding the speed. We are finding the speed for the second case. So x will be equal to 18 kilometer per hour. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.